We have entered into the past from the present. So almost the sentence formation is same, but only the changes comes in the time. So in the starting, and I prefer to say that verb is the king of the sentence. Wherever it is, while you are learning a language, verb is the king of the sentence. Without a verb, we cannot frame a sentence. Yes, we can frame a sentence, but verb adds value to the sentence. So for that, I said you to learn
message. Thanks a lot to everyone.
I'm getting resound. I don't know why. Let me mute everyone. Okay, I muted all. Yeah, if you have any questions, any queries, you can raise your hand. I can take your questions. Okay. So whenever you are going to communicate with the people, you should have the knowledge of sentences and questioning. For that only, I introduce positive sentence and questioning, negative sentence and negative questioning. And that too, according to the time we have to speak. Are we in the present? Are we going to speak about the past? Are we going to speak about the future? So we should have that idea. So without that idea, we cannot speak with the people. Yeah, anyway, in a previous class, yesterday's class, we have discussed about past, simple past and past continuous. So before entering into today's class, I want to ask a few questions. I want to listen example from you, not by seeing in your book, just oral. So who will come with your example? One verb, two tenses. You can use only one verb or you can use different verbs, but tenses should be clear. Simple past and past continuous. So who will say first? I'm not asking a difficult question. What we have discussed in the previous class, I'm going to ask about that. Yes, who will take this challenge first?
I am ready.
Yes, very good, very good. I really appreciate you, ma'am, for coming forward. Yes, so you are the inspiration for today's class. Everyone now, be ready. Yes, Niladya ma'am, go ahead.
Simple past, sir. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Only simple past, sir?
Yeah, first simple past.
Okay, sir. I closed the window. I closed.
Okay.
Window. Did I close the window?
Okay.
I didn't close the window. Did I not close the window?
Yes. Did I?
Did I not close the window?
Did I not? Did not I?
Didn't I?
Did not I?
Sir, did I not? Sir, did I not?
Did I not? Did not I? Did not I? When we are saying did, it means did not. Did plus not didn't. Did plus not didn't. So didn't I? It means did not I close the window. Yes.
Okay, sir.
I closed the window.
Close the window.
Yes. I closed the window.
I got sometimes in evening, sir. So I am practice like this, sir.
Very good, ma'am. Yeah, super, super, very nice, ma'am. So that's what I said. You are the inspiration for today's. See, ma'am is from. Okay.
Sir, in evening time, I learned some verbs also, sir.
Can you say those verbs?
Verb forms.
Can you say those verbs?
Sir.
How many you remember? You can.
Want.
Yeah.
Sir?
How many you remember? You can say those. మీకు ఎన్ని గుర్తున్నాయో అవి చెప్పండి.
Want. Sir, regular verbs, sir.
Okay.
Regular verbs. Want, wanted, wanted, close, closed, closed, choose, Sorry, the irregular verb cause, sir. Hate, hated, hated. Request, requested, requested. Help, helped, help. Sir, some verbs all I written these pages, sir. Some practice daily in my kitchen room, sir. Evening time, sir.
Yeah,
Some papers pasted in front of me. Some practice, sir.
very nice, ma'am. Very good trick. Very nice trick. See, you should know all these things. Madam ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా చెప్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. That's a great thing. Even though whenever
Me too.
passion, when you are fascinating to learn, everywhere you have to create that atmosphere. Yeah, great, ma'am. You have practiced very well. Even kitchen room, you are using the kitchen room as your English club. English language club.
Evening. Sir, evening time, sir, work women not available, sir. So I am spend 1 hour in kitchen room, sir.
Here, I want to say to everyone, learning is not learning in the class, up into our day-to-day life. అంటే మనం నేర్చుకునేది క్లాస్ లో నేర్చుకోవడమో లేదా ఆన్లైన్ లో నేర్చుకోవడం కాదు, దాన్ని రియల్ లైఫ్ లో అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. ప్రతి ప్లేస్ లో మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి. మ్యామ్ ఎలా అయితే కిచెన్ రూమ్ లో పేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, కిచెన్ రూమ్ లో పేజ్ చేస్తూ నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు. ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం కిచెన్ రూమ్ లో ఉన్న ఐటమ్స్ పేర్లు కూడా నేర్చుకోండి. ఇట్స్ బెటర్ ఫర్ యూ. సో వాటిని ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏమంటారు, ప్రయత్నం నేర్చుకోండి. ఇలా నేర్చుకోవడం అనేది ఇలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ స్పీకింగ్ కంటెక్స్చువల్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. చాలా మంది చేసేది ఏంటంటే నేర్చుకోవడం అంటే ఓకే ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడడం మాత్రమే, తర్వాత రొటీన్ లైఫ్ లో ఇంగ్లీష్ మనకు యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం రాదు. నో, wherever you are going and wherever you are going to communicate, try to speak English and try to know the word in English. ఎదుటి వ్యక్తులకు చెప్తున్నామా లేదా పక్కన పెట్టేస్తే మనం కొత్తగా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం లేదని ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో కిచెన్ రూమ్ కావచ్చు, మనం ఆడుకునే ప్లేస్ కావచ్చు, మనం ఎదుటి వ్యక్తులతో మాట్లాడే విషయాలు కావచ్చు, దాన్ని ఒక్కసారి మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ప్రయత్నిస్తే ఎక్కడ మనం ల్యాక్ అవుతున్నాము, ఏ వర్డ్ మనకు తెలియదు, అది మనకు కన్ఫర్మ్ గా తెలుస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ లెర్నింగ్ కాంటెక్స్చువల్. So in the previous class, Krishna Reddy sir also reminded that, sir, we should have a conversation between us. Yes, because we are not going to speak, okay, sir, you have to speak in present tense, no one asks us. Sir, you have to speak in the past tense, no one asks us. They give a concept to us, they give a question to us, so we have to reply to the question according to that. Yeah, thank you Neeladev ma'am for saying answer and sharing your nice tricks.
Sir, thank you.
Okay, yeah, can you say the past continuous? Ma'am, past continuous. Ready ma'am? Nilada ma'am, past continuous. Ma'am, you are on mute, I think so.
Okay, sir. Sir, she was dancing.
Okay,
Was she dancing? She was not dancing. Wasn't she dancing? Okay, sir, correct, sir?
yes, correct ma'am. Next, Anuradha madam, go ahead. Anuradha madam.
Happy evening, sir.
Happy evening ma'am.
Simple continuous, sir. Sir.
Simple past.
Past.
Sorry.
Simple past.
Yeah, simple past only.
Okay. He practiced English.
Okay.
Did he practice English?
Okay.
Sorry. Did he practice English?
Okay.
He did not practice English. Didn't he practice English?
Yes, good. Past continuous.
He was practicing English. He was not. Was he practicing English? He was not practicing English. Was not he practicing English?
Was not he practicing? Yes, correct, ma'am. Good. So here
Okay, thank you, sir.
you can see your practice. I hope you have practiced well. Keep on doing this. Next.
Sir, simple continuous, both are easy, sir. Just
Yeah.
perfect and perfect continuous tense. These are difficult, sir.
Not difficult. There's just little confusion. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you
okay,
ma'am,
sir.
for
Thank you.
sharing your nice examples with us. Next, Ashok sir. Chauhan Ashok sir.
Sir, happy evening, sir.
Happy evening, sir. If you don't mind, can you turn the video if possible?
Sir, not comfortable, sir.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead.
I was like a mango.
Sir, I was like the mango. No, I mean it's not a correct formation. I like the mango.
I like a mango.
Hmm.
So, oh, sorry, sir. Sorry.
What is your intention? You can say first. అంటే మీరు ఏం చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు?
Actually, third person యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్ నేను ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ యాడ్ చేసిన సార్.
Okay, third person he
liked a mango.
Okay.
Was he like a mango?
సార్ ఇక్కడ యా వర్బ్ అనేది అంటే సెంటెన్స్ లో హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ క్లియర్ గా కనిపిస్తేనే అక్కడ ఉన్న హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ని వాడుకోవాలి. కనిపించట్లేదు టెన్స్ ని బట్టి వాడుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఈ సెంటెన్స్ లో హీ లైక్ ద మ్యాంగో ఈ టెన్స్ లో అంటే ఈ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఇక హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ మీకు కనిపిస్తుందా?
హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ లేదు సార్.
లేదు కాబట్టి ఏది వాడుకోవాలి?
డిడ్ వాడాలి సార్.
డిడ్ వాడాలి. మీరు వర్డ్స్ ని వాడుతున్నారు.
సారీ సార్.
No sorry, just I'm correcting you. Okay, it's learning from each other. Yeah.
Did he like a mango?
Yes, super. Next. Negative.
Did not.
He did not.
He did not like a mango.
Yes.
Didn't I like a mango? Didn't he like a mango?
Yes, didn't he like a mango? Good. Very nice, very nice. Now you can go into the past continuous.
Past continuous, sir.
Yes. Can I give the verb?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So the verb for you. Sell, sold. I was selling a dictionary.
I was selling
A dictionary.
I was selling a dictionary. Was I? Hello, sir.
Yeah. Was I selling a dictionary?
Was I selling a dictionary?
I wasn't. Yeah, I wasn't
Selling a dictionary.
Yes.
Wasn't I selling a dictionary?
Super. Very nice, very nice. So just see, we need to push up you. We say that starting trouble.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, just starting trouble you have, but you have good content. Yeah, very nice, sir.
Okay, sir.
Dharmarao sir, ready? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Dharmarao sir. Can I give the verb or you can choose yourself?
ఇవ్వండి సార్, మీరు ఇవ్వండి.
Okay, I'm giving you that. Met. I met my friend yesterday. I met my friend yesterday. Simple past.
Meet, sir.
Yeah,
Simple
meet,
past.
met. Meet,
Okay.
met. Kalvadam. Yes.
Meet. Okay, sir. He met friends. Friends అనొచ్చా సార్? Friend. He met friend.
Yeah, he made friends. Okay, no problem.
He met friends. He సార్ ఇక్కడ డస్ నాట్ ఆర్ డిడ్ నాట్ సార్?
Did past లో did వస్తుంది సార్, ప్రజెంట్ లో does వస్తుంది.
Did.
Does present,
Okay.
past.
He did not met friends. Did he meet? Did he meet friends?
Okay.
He did not meet friends. He did not meet friends. Didn't he meet friends?
Yes, good. First time you said he didn't met his friend. No, he did not meet his friend. You corrected yourself. Very nice. Now, continuous, past continuous.
Past continuous. Okay.
I was paying the bill. I was paying the bill.
Paying. Okay, sir. I was paying the bill. I was not paying the bill. Was I paying the bill? Was I? Sir, ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తా. I was paying the bill.
Yes.
Was I paying the bill?
Was I paying the bill? Yes. correct.
Was I paying the bill?
Yes.
I was not paying the bill.
Yes.
Was not I paying the bill?
Yes. Wasn't I paying the bill? Very nice,
Oh.
sir. Good. So we have to use this in continuous, past continuous. Next. Krishna Reddy sir. Are you ready? Krishna Reddy sir. Okay. Mangesh sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Just you can say your example.
Yes, sir.
Simple past continuous. Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Can I speak, sir?
Okay. Mangesh sir, can you wait for sir or you can say yours?
Yes, sir. I can wait, sir.
Okay, yeah. Krishna Reddy sir, you can go ahead. Krishna Reddy sir, go ahead. Krishna Reddy sir, am I audible to you? Krishna Reddy sir. Hello. I think you have a network issue, sir. Okay. Mangesh sir, you can go ahead. Just go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I brought a new mobile.
Okay.
Is this correct sentence?
Yes, I brought a new mobile.
Wasn't I brought a new mobile?
Sir, just a minute. I brought a new
Right.
mobile అంటే తీసుకొచ్చాను. I bought a mobile అంటే కొన్నాను.
Okay, I brought a new mobile.
I mean, తీసుకొచ్చారా కొన్నారా?
తీసుకొచ్చా.
Okay, I brought a new mobile. Okay.
I brought a new mobile. Did I brought a new mobile?
Did I?
Didn't I brought a new mobile?
Did when you are using did after you should use V1. Did I bring
Okay.
mobile? Did I bring a new mobile?
Did I bring a new mobile?
Yes. I did not.
I did not brought a new mobile?
Yes.
Didn't I brought a new mobile?
Yes, correct, correct, sir. Yeah, now we can go to past continuous.
Yes, sir. I was at village.
Okay.
Village.
I was at village. Yeah. No, sir.
I was at village. This is the wrong form, sir.
Yeah.
I came to village. This is right form, sir.
That is past form, simple past.
Simple past.
Hmm.
I'm at home.
I'm at home,
Oh.
present form. Past
Is
continuous.
it? Past.
Hmm.
Past continuous. Okay. Continuous. Sir,
She
can you give?
she was
Can you give
flying a
any?
kite. She was flying a kite. You can say this example. She was flying a kite.
She was flying a kite. Was she flying a kite?
Yes.
Doesn't she flying a kite?
Why does, sir? Does will not come here.
Why does she flying kite?
Does, sir, ఇక్కడ does రాదు. ఇది past tense లో does రాదు. ఓన్లీ present tense లో వస్తది. That too sentence లో
Okay.
హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఆ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ క్వశ్చనింగ్ చేయాలి. కొత్త హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్స్ మనం పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Right, sir.
Okay, it's confused. We have a confusion. It's common. So I was flying a kite. So what is the helping verb in sentence?
Helping verb, sir.
Yeah.
Was.
Yes. So you can use that was.
I was flying a kite.
Yes.
Was I flying a kite?
Yes.
I was not flying a kite.
Yes.
Wasn't I flying a kite?
Yes. Super. Super. Here you have a small confusion.
Yes, sir.
You need not to use did. ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే క్లియర్లీ సేయింగ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ, అందులో ఆల్రెడీ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఉంటే దాన్నే వాడుకోవాలి. హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ లేనప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఆ టెన్స్ లో రావాల్సిన హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ వాడుకోవాలి.
Right, sir.
కంటిన్యూస్ లో కానీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ లో కానీ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్స్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఉంటాయి. అందులో ఒక సింపుల్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ కనిపించదు, అప్పుడు మాత్రమే డూ డస్ ని వాడతాం. ప్రజెంట్ లో అయితే పాస్ట్ లో డిడ్ వాడతాం.
Okay.
యా, నమస్తే మ్యామ్.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible but very low, ma'am. Just low.
Okay, sir. He was riding a bike.
Yes.
Was he riding a bike?
Simple
He was
past.
not riding.
Simple past first.
Give me one verb.
I prepared vegetable biryani.
I prepared vegetable. I did not prepare vegetable biryani. Did I prepare vegetable biryani? Did I not prepared vegetable biryani?
Did I not or did not I?
Didn't I prepared vegetable biryani?
Yes, didn't I? Did not I prepared vegetable biryani? When you are
Okay, sir, I can.
you did not. Yes. Now past continuous.
He was riding a bike.
Okay.
Was he riding a bike? He was not riding a bike. Was he riding a bike? Wasn't he riding a bike?
Super. Very nice, ma'am. Next, Bhajan sir.
Happy evening, sir.
Happening.
Past simple లో they help me, the helped me అంతే. సెంటెన్స్ కరెక్ట్ సార్, అది ఒకటి చెప్పండి, నేను మిగతాది.
Correct.
they helped me, they helped to me. నా డౌట్.
దే హెల్ప్ మీ, టు మీ వాడినా ఒకటే వాడకపోయినా ఒకటే. దే హెల్ప్ మీ అంటేనే నాకు హెల్ప్ చేశారని అర్థం. ఆ టు అనేది ఎక్స్ట్రా, వాడినా ఓకే వాడకున్నా ఓకే, అసలు వాడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. బట్ మనకు స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉండాలంటే దే హెల్ప్ టు మీ ఇలా వాడతాం అంతే. ఎస్,
దే హెల్ప్ టు మీ. Did they help me?
did they
They
did they
help
yes,
help
correct.
to me.
Okay, yes.
Verb one, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
They did not help me. Help to me.
Okay,
Did not they help to me.
okay.
Sir, next
Past
continuous lo
continuous. Yes,
they they were help
they
they
were
were
they were
they were helping to me. Were they helping to me?
they were helping to the people. They were helping to the people.
They were helping to the people. Were they helping to the people? They are not helping to the people. Were they? Sorry. Were not they help to people?
Yes, weren't they helping to the people? Yes, very nice, very nice, sir. Yeah. Yes. Next, Krishna Reddy sir, ready? Yeah? Krishna Reddy sir. Okay, sir has a network issue, I think so.
Audio now unmuted.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sakib.
am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, sir. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Can you give the verb, sir? Just I will try, sir.
I can give you, sir. I can give you.
What is that, sir?
Children fought in the class.
Children?
Fought in the class. Fight, fought.
Okay. Children did fight in the class. Next. Did the children fight in the class?
Yes.
Next. Children did not fight in the class. Didn't children fight in the class?
Super. Very nice, sir. Next, continue.
Okay.
Past continuous.
Can you give, sir? Verb.
They were building a house.
Okay. They were building a house. Are they building the house?
Past, sir. Were they?
Sorry. Okay. Were they
Yeah.
building the house? They were not building the house. Were not they building the house?
Audio now unmuted.
Yes. Very nice, sir. Next, anybody else? Did I miss anyone?
Please spell fought. F-A-U-G-H-T. F-A-U-F-A-G-H-T.
Start
Fight.
my video.
Fight, F-I-G-S-T. Fought,
No, sir.
F-U-G-S-T.
F-A-U-G-H-T.
F-O.
Is it correct, sir?
F-O-U-G-S-T. Yeah. I'm writing the short notes too. Fight, fought. Kotladam.
Yeah, I know, but I got confusing in spelling.
Yeah. Fight, fought. Catch, caught. Catch, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T.
Yeah. Thank you.
రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ అందరికి ఈజీగానే ఉంటాయి. రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ అంటే ఏం లేదు, వర్బ్ కి ఈడి యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. కానీ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ కొంచెం V1, V2, V3 డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వాక్డ్ ఎవరైనా చెప్తారు అది. లుక్డ్ ఇవి రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ అన్నమాట. ఇలా ఉండేవి ఎందుకంటే వర్బ్ కి ఈడి యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు పాస్ట్ ఫామ్ లో చేంజ్ అయ్యే ప్రతిది కూడా రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్. ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు అది V1 V2 V3 డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయో వాటిని ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ అంటాం.